If Google Chrome is opening to a black screen, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you several quick fixes that can solve the problem on Windows. We'll start with the easiest fix, then move through a few stronger solutions if Chrome is still not displaying properly. Make sure to watch until the end because the last step can help if the issue is caused by broken settings or corrupted browser data. And if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, if Chrome still opens normally enough for you to see the interface, the best place to start is by disabling hardware acceleration. To do that, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go down to Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll or search for System. Inside the System section, find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that switch off, then click Relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting applied. For many users, this alone fixes the black screen immediately because Chrome sometimes has trouble rendering with GPU acceleration enabled. Now, if Chrome turns black as soon as you open it and you can't really access the browser normally, use a launch command to start it without GPU rendering. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the run box, then type chrome.exe-disable-gpu and press Enter. This tells Chrome to start with graphics processing disabled, which can get the browser open long enough for you to change the settings permanently. If Chrome loads normally after this, go back and turn off hardware acceleration inside Chrome so the problem does not return later. Next, let's clear the Chrome cache. Sometimes corrupted cached files can cause strange display issues, including a black screen. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, and then click Delete Data. If you want, you can clear the last hour or all time, depending on how long the issue has been happening. Once the cache is removed, restart Chrome and check whether the screen is back to normal. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to check is your graphics drivers. Outdated or broken drivers are one of the most common reasons Chrome shows a black window. Press Windows and X, then click Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section, right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Let Windows search for the best available driver or install the latest driver directly from your GPU manufacturer if needed. After the update, restart your computer and open Chrome again. A driver update can make a big difference because Chrome depends heavily on graphics rendering. Another fix is to disable compatibility mode for Chrome. Sometimes this setting gets enabled accidentally and it can interfere with how Chrome displays on your screen. Right-click the Chrome shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu, then click Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and make sure the option that says Run this program in compatibility mode is unchecked. After that, click Apply and then OK. This is a simple step, but it often solves rendering glitches caused by older Windows compatibility settings. If none of those steps have worked yet, the final fix is to reset Chrome settings. Open Chrome again if possible, then go to Settings, select Reset Settings, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings to confirm. This removes broken browser configurations without completely reinstalling Chrome, and it can fix issues caused by changes to flags, extensions, or corrupted preferences. If a bad setting is forcing the black screen, this step usually clears it up. So to quickly recap, the best fixes are disabling hardware acceleration, launching Chrome with GPU disabled, clearing the cache, updating graphics drivers, checking compatibility mode, and resetting Chrome settings. If your Chrome black screen issue was caused by one of those common problems, one of these steps should get you back to normal browsing. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Chrome troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.